Mo Twister with Susie in the Philippines.
Welcome back to the show, 7:16 on the clock. Hi, everybody. We're all on Twitter, by the way. DJ Mo Twister, Noel Bonus, and Susie899, SUZY899. Hi, Mo.
Oh, don't you have an announcement?
No, finished.
We're done with that.
Yes.
Oh, hey, welcome back to the show. Cool. I'm here watching sports. I'm like thinking, hey, when is she going to do that thing already so I can get back to my, put the volume back up. All right, well, hey, welcome back on the program. Yeah, it is a Thursday morning. Throwback Thursday.
There you go. Did you just disappear? Yup.
Throwback Thursday.
7:17.
He got Throwback Thursday in.
I know, he got thrown somewhere.
He got thrown
There
back.
you are.
You got thrown back.
Where did I get thrown up? Where did I get thrown up?
After Thursday.
I got thrown back. I was tweeting last night. I'm seeing more and more of these girls.
Yeah,
They're tweeting themselves on yoga. Well, what is this? Hey, Ellen Adarna did it once. She's incredibly hot. She's allowed to do it. I've seen all these other elephants who are doing like yoga poses and putting it on Instagram. Girls, please stop it. You're not that hot. Jesus. When did this become a trend? Only Ellen is allowed, period. Thank you. Stop. All right. Thank you. Amen. That's all. Okay. Susie,
yes,
put a yoga pose over there for today.
I don't know how.
Come on. Just give me one time, big time.
Like my hands are up.
Just like all of these girls who are putting it on. They don't know
together.
how. It's awful.
What's that one?
They don't know how.
All right.
Are we ready?
It is 631-0899, our phone number. But before we take your calls on anything or any topic we throw out there, we got Showbiz Bro ready to go. He's online and he's going to tell us what's happening in Showbiz. Bro, happy anniversary to the show. Oh, but not to you because you have no salary.
Good morning, everyone. This is the devil.
Okay.
It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Oh, yeah, 13 is also an unlucky number. 6613. You know, it's kind of like a...
Oh, my goodness.
Gawin ko kaya ng ganong boses yung show, no?
Hindi na, wag na, please. That's begging you. Repeat.
And the news today, matong chismisa na.
Katako. Never hate it. Go.
What is it?
Makapal Estrada. Wild.
That's right.
Dun sa makapal.
All right, bro. What's going on, man?
Kota na siya.
Showbiz. What's up?
Ay, kaya. Ito na. Matong chismisa na, okay? Alam nyo naman, yung ibang tao, alam nyo ba kasi, Susie, Mo?
Yes.
Yung madaming ibang tao na nag-tweet sa akin, tinatanong ako kung totoo daw ba yung mga sasabi ko dito sa show. Tulad na nung balita natin kay Valerie kahapon. Diba? Yun, nagpapasalamat ako dun sa mga listeners kahapon na nag-tweet kay Valerie para mapatunayan yung balita ko, yung mga fans ko dyan, na sumubok talaga dun sa balita ko. Na pag tinweet mo si Valerie, magre-retweet ka agad yan. Kung hindi within 10 minutes, within the day.
So they tried it. Okay, so did they send you screenshots? What were some of the tweets?
Ayun na, parang, Valerie, I'm tweeting you so that you'll retweet me. Bali, wala lang. Tweet mo naman ako. Tapos mga 5 tao yan nag-retweet sa akin.
Wow.
Sabi ni Showbiz Bro kasi, kung mag-tweet ako sa'yo, pwede ka mag-RT and biglang, boom, RT.
Oh, ito naman si Tanga, tweet.
Oh my God.
Okay, talagang feeling big time, di ba? Pero big time naman
what
talaga.
What are you now? 8,000? Yeah.
Oh, 8,000. Mga 5 followers short of being 8,000. Talagang big time na talaga. Big time na talaga ako. Tulad nito, babatiin ko yung dalawang fans ko, si Cedric Matubi, saka si Gia Santos ng PNB.
Mabate.
Oh, di ba? May listahan pa nga pala ako ng mga artista sa sobrang sikat ko. May listahan ako ng mga artista na sikat, pero mas madami pa yung followers ko sa Twitter.
That's interesting. So a list of celebrities that you have more followers than. Okay, I want to hear this. Let's see it. Who do you got?
At ito, hindi ito puro small time na artista. Simulan natin. Tatandaan niyo pa ba si Jana Victoria, yung hot na girl?
Oh.
Ex ni...
Of course.
Ni Dominic Ochoa?
Yes.
Oh, 500 followers lang siya. Oh, okay. Baron Geisler.
8,000.
Oh. Baron Geisler, 6,000 lang. Priscilla Mireles, 4,000 lang. Andrew E., yung favorite mo, Susie. Humanap ka ng pangit. 3,000 followers lang. O, yung rocker, si Basti Artadi, 6K lang. O, ito, international star, Susie, ha? International star, Charis. 7,000 followers lang.
Oh,
Pina-follow
she
ka.
started
What?
her new...
Oo,
You have
yung account
more
niya lang.
followers than...
Mas marami kang followers sa mga to. Pero sila talaga yan, hindi yan ano.
Oo, si ano?
Hindi poser.
Hindi, original account to. Si Judy Ann Santos.
Oh.
6,500 followers lang. Talo pa rin. Mas sikat tayo sa mga
That's
yan.
impossible.
Judy Santos.
That's impossible.
Judy Ann Santos.
Oh,
Judy Ann Santos. Jesus. Noel, please don't do that Gloria Estrada thing. Judy Ann Santos is one of the
I
great
heard
big stars.
Judy Santos.
Okay.
I was like,
Yeah.
Wait lang. Seryoso ka?
Judy Santos.
Mali pa.
Mas marami kang followers kay Juday. Ang lala.
Ay, ganun talaga. Masikat tayo doon. Batang superstar.
All right.
Eto, speaking of feelings, eto, kilala niyo ba si Rocky Gutierrez?
Ah.
228 followers! Lang yan.
Rocky Gutierrez. This is the brother of Rufo.
Is it the Take It one?
Yeah, the
Most popular for Take It during the 1994, if I believe, Metro Manila Film Festival scandal.
Rocky
What
and
happened with
Jason
Rocky?
Kidd.
I heard that he got into some sort of trouble.
Ayun nga, feeling sikat, and speaking of Rocky Gutierrez at yung girlfriend niya, idinimanda ng malicious mischief dahil binandalize niya yung kotse ng dalawang tech journalist. Wow. Actually, Mo, kilala mo yung tech journalist itong si Alora Guerrero, ganda ng legs nun.
Oh.
Kasama mo to doon sa podcast mo, yung mga tech podcast mo doon. No, kasama mo siya doon Nagpunta, kasi ganito yung story niyan, pre. Nagpunta sila sa isang condo building. Tapos, syempre, pag sa condo building, reserved yung mga parking dyan, diba? Pinag-park sila ng guard sa isang spot na doon pala pumaparada si Rocky Gutierrez.
Okay.
Kasi yung Rocky Gutierrez, kung hindi nyo kilala, kasi hindi naman sikat tong hinayupak na to yung kapatid ni Rupa sa ni Richard.
Yeah, Richard. Right. Take it.
So ni Raymond.
All right.
Kung nasama si Raymond, bugbog na masyado yun May sikat lalo Okay, so nagkataon lang, dumaan si Rocky at yung girlfriend niya. Tapos nakita niya yung favorite parking space niya, naka-occupy. So ang ginawa ni girlfriend, naglabas ng lipstick. Ewan ko kung hiniram niya kay Raymond yun. Nagsulat ng mga profanity sa windshield. At ito namang si Rocky, allegedly gumamit daw ng susi para gasgasan yung
grabe
kotse.
naman yung susi.
Pare, ang lalim nung gasgas. Tapos, talagang vinandalize na yung kotse. Ito, papagsabihan natin si Rocky. Okay, Rocky, feeling mo big time ka, di naman sa'yo yung kondo. Nakikitira ka lang doon sa kondo ng ate mo.
Wow.
Kaya nga tawag sa'yo, character actor. Which, alam mo naman natin lahat, ang code para sa character actor, actor na na konti lang ang trabaho at maliliit lang yung roles. Pero ikaw, malaki ka
That's true.
No. Kaya lang naman nagkakaroon ng trabaho kasi lagi kang bit-bit ng utol mo, si Richard. Di pumapayag si Richard na gumawa ng teleserye. Kung hindi kasali at least yung dalawang kapatid niya na walang kwenta. Di pala walang kwenta, sorry mo Character actor. So Rocky, wag mo sobrang yabang, hinay-hinay lang, especially kung representative ka, yung nagre-represent ka ng pamilya na tumatakbo sa politika. Kung makaangas kayo, feeling nyo naman, nanalo yung nanay nyo, talo naman. Diba? Tatandaan nyo, Susie, Noel, Mo, this is not the first time the Gutierrez family got involved in a car accident, diba? Or a car issue. Kung natatandaan nyo, guys, a few years ago, Richard Gutierrez crashed his sports car sa may Tagaytay, killing his PA, who was a father of 2 children, diba?
Di man sadya.
Yeah,
Parang,
I remember that. Yeah,
kaya konting ingat-ingat naman tong mga Gutierrez brothers na to, di ba?
Tsaka, okay, it's bad enough that they got mad at the people who parked there. Di dapat nagalit sa guard. Kasi yung guard nagpa-park doon.
Yeah.
Kawawa naman yung guard.
Yeah, I know. And poor guys. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm reading the article now since you brought it up. The guy, the owner of the car, we know him. He just wants an apology. And not getting an apology. So he's like, okay, well, I'll file something then.
Yun. At yun nga, tinulungan naman sila ng mga police. Kaya rin yung mga guard daw.
And like there's a video, right?
May video daw
showing, ruining the vehicle.
I really want to see that video.
Alright, next.
Pa ng lipstick. Teka lang Ano tong narinig ko kahapon sa podcast mo, Mo?
What happened?
Yung pinapanood niyo daw ni Kat Alano yung mga sex tape mo, Mo Twister, di ka na nahiya kay Kat Alano.
May sex tape ka, Mo? Akala ko may crying tape ka.
Bukod sa crying tape mo, may sex tape ka pa? Di ka na nahiya? Panood naman. Copy.
Well, it was Catalano and I were friends, and, you know, when I was in Manila, she'd come over, and we'd have conversations of certain things, and, you know, maybe that was one of the topics we were talking about, our personal sex tapes.
Manix naman dyan.
Meron din siya?
Si Catalano meron din.
I am not going to
dalawa?
comment any further about that. That was a personal issue that we just happened to bring it up on the podcast last night. It's for the podcast. Listen to the podcast and you'll get it. That's all I'm saying.
I think meron kasi sabi niya, our respective sex tapes eh.
Oo, pag decipher mo. Pero kwento nga kasi ni Kat, di lang isang babae meron kang sex tape mo. Puro artista daw yung mga chicks mo At ang malupit, sila pa nagvi-video. Ang big naman masyado ng nipples mo, Ang gwapo mo siguro sa personal. Kasi sa TV, sa picture, di ko nagigets yung kapugian mo eh. Wow. Ganun ba talaga pag sumasahod kayong mga DJ? Tingnan natin si Susie daming lumalandi sa kanyang baller. Pati si Kobe Bryant, tinalo siya sa Twitter. Tingnan mo si Noel. Gabi-gabi katabi sa kama yung pinaka-hot na lesbian sa buong mundo. Tapos sabi niya, hindi niya daw hinahawakan. Wala ako sa'yo. Maniniwala ba ako dyan? So, Magic, 7th anniversary na ng show, sana naman may sahod na rin ako para makakuha na rin ako ng celebrity ballers, saka lesbian, saka magkaroon na rin ako ng sex video. Kaya lang papatayin ako ng misis ko. Miski yung ano na lang. Miski yung sahod na lang, masaya na ako doon.
Pwede na.
Pwede na yun.
Carrie.
Ano, Mo, ilakad mo naman ako sa Magic. 6 na buwan na ako nagre-report Wala pa ako nakukuha sa inyo. Puro kaaway lang nakuha ko
We've given that to you. All right, get out of here before we actually think about paying you.
Mo, malapit na birthday ko. Regalo mo naman ako. Parang yung mga chicks mo.
Grabe magregalo si Mo, no? Mo, okay, wait lang. While he's still here, while Showbiz Bro still, best top 3 best gifts you've ever given to your exes.
Top 3 best. Come on, really? You know I don't
like I just want to know.
What sa Montero?
I give away 2 cars once.
Alam ko lang yung chance. Anong isa?
2 cars. I gave away Montero.
Totoo yun?
Ano pa? Bukod sa Montero. So, anong ranking na? Number 3. Okay.
No, I think I would be number 1.
Malay mo, may mas matindi pa.
May mas one pa doon mo.
This is a Mo Twister episode, okay?
Oo nga.
We're moving on. We gotta go. Commercial break.
Roll VTR.
No, I'm not gonna say it. No, listen. You have things that you guys don't want to, especially you, Susie. Ang dami mong mga disclaimer na.
Don't tweet this.
I
know.
No, I am no longer a thing. I'm done.
Bibigyan na kita ng isang buwan para paghandaan yung birthday gift mo sa akin. Okay, thank you nga pala to the wonderful people of Densios. Try their sarap altangap meals available all day. And thank you to Paul and Maggie Ortadio of Pimkicks. Please follow them on Twitter, twitter.com/Pimkicks, or visit their website, pimkicks.tk. Pimkicks, the best place for your soul searching. And you can also follow them on Twitter, Showbiz Bro 899. And this has been your machong chismoso, Makoy Pare, your Showbiz Bro. Mas madaming followers kay international star Charisse. Yung bagong account nga lang. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye, Makoy. Grabe. Fairness.
All right.
So funny.
Good stuff.
Fairness to Makoy.
We gotta take a break. When we come back, we have some topics to discuss. Which one do you guys want to do? You want to do Look Kwentong Kadiri?
Yes,
or is that saved for usually for the 8 o'clock hour?
It's a great way to end the week.
All right, here we go. When we come back, are you sure it's so negative?
No, it's
funny.
not. What edition?
When we come back, do you want the Lunok
that
edition?
Can be?
Or the pain edition, the most painful
baka the
thing
pain edition
that you had to survive. Yeah, that one.
Is it Satan's birthday?
It's a celebration. Are you sure you want to get this kind of grim?
And then we're going to be yeah,
it'll be great.
Right, let's take a break. When we come back, what is the most painful thing you've had to endure and survive? It's Kwentong Kadiri, the pain edition, when we come back.
Good times in the morning.
Good times.
Live in New York, Mo Twister with Susie and Mia in the Philippines.
Para sa mga hindi na uubos ang trabaho, sa mga 3 oras